continuation. This is part B of First Kings chapter 7, part 2. Hiram the craftsman. Now King Solomon sent and brought Huram from Tyre. He was the son of a widow from the tribe of Naphtali, and his father was a man of Tyre, a bronze worker. He was filled with wisdom and understanding and skill in working with all kinds of bronze work. So he came to King Solomon and did all his work. And he cast 2 pillars of bronze, in each 8 cubits high, and a line of 12 cubits measured the circumference of each. Then he made 2 capitals of cast bronze to set on top of the pillars. The height of one capital was 5 cubits, and the height of the other capital was 5 cubits. He made a lattice network with wreaths of chain work for the capitals which were on top of the pillars, 7 chains for one capital and 7 chains for the other capital. So he made the pillars and 2 rows of pomegranates above the network all round to cover the capitals, and were on top, and thus he did for the other capital. The capitals which were on top of the pillars in the hall were in the shape of lilies, 4 cubits. The capitals on the 2 pillars which had pomegranates above by the convex surface which was next on the network, and there were 200 such pomegranates in the rows on each of the capitals around. Then he set up the pillar by the vestibule of the temple, and he set up the pillar on the right and called it Jashin. And he set up the pillar on the left and called its name Boaz. The tops of the pillars were in the shape of lilies, so the work of the pillars was finished. And he made a sea of cast bronze, then 10 cubits from the one beam to the other. It was completely round. Its height was 5 cubits, and a line of 30 cubits measured its circumference. Below its brim were ornamental bars encircling it all round, 10 to a cubit all the way around to the sea. Then ornamental bars were cast in 2 rows when it was cast. It stood on 12 oxen, 3 looking towards the north, 3 looking towards the west, 3 looking towards the south, 3 looking towards the east. The sea was set upon them, and all their